China has the great powers in animal husbandry. The production of meat, egg, and milk has situated at first in the world continuously for several years. The industry of animal health products has grown up quietly in the last 10 years and received more attention, which plays a noticeable role in the prevention and control of animal diseases, food safety, and human biosafety. Ringpu Biology is a leading enterprise in the industry of animal health products of China and is a listed company concentrated on veterinary drugs in the stock market A of China. Taking aim at the developmental frontier of biotechnology and animal medicine internationally, concerning the national needs of agriculture sustainable development, holding on the company's spirit of foresight, innovation, honesty, and devotion, is contributing her shares to the industry technical progress, healthy development of animal breeding, and the safety of animal origin foodstuffs with high-quality products. Founded in 1998, through continuous innovation and pioneering for over a decade, Ringpu Biology has grown into a large-scale industry cluster in animal health from a single veterinary drug processing plant at first. Now, Ringpu Biology manages 6 GMP production bases, such as Ringpu Tianjin Biological Pharmaceutical Company Limited, Ringpu Baoti Biological Pharmaceutical Company Limited, Tianjin Ringpu High-Tech Biopharmaceutical Company Limited, Hubei Longxia Pharmaceutical Company Limited, Hunan Sinoland Biopharmacy Company Limited. Inner Mongolia Ringpu Dadi Biopharmacy Company Limited has more than 30 large production lines, such as raw material medicine production line, powder, poultice, premix, oral taking liquid production line, disinfector production line, injection production line, granule production line, trough production line, inactivated vaccine production line, and live vaccine production line. With its enormous production capacity, Ringpu Biology has become one of the production bases in China producing animal health products at the largest scale and of the most complete varieties, which integrate pharmaceutical raw materials, pharmaceutical preparations, biological vaccine, and feed additives. Ringpu, precedents derived from innovation. Confronting the increasingly competitive industrial market, Ringpu Biology adheres to the philosophy of scientific and technological innovations as the leader and guides the development of the enterprise with science and technology. Ringpu Biology owns a powerful research and development team with more than 130 technicians and a technical advisor team including 2 academicians and 12 domestic specialists. Ringpu Biology is one of the only 2 enterprises in the trade to be honored as National Recognized Enterprise Technology Center by National Development and Reform Commission and other 4 ministries and departments, and also its experimental units of intellectual property rights protection in enterprises and institutions throughout the country. Based on postdoctor's research workstation and under the guidance of academicians of Chinese Academy of Engineering, Ringpu Biology persists in the technical development strategy of laying equal stress on both autonomous technology innovation and cooperative technological innovation, and it cooperates closely in various ways with numbers of research institutions at home and abroad over the past decade. Ringpu Biology has participated 6 national-level research projects and 90 province or ministry-level research programs, including 2 scientific and technological achievements, filling the international gaps and 9 filling the domestic gaps. It has achieved 30 new veterinary drug certificates and applied for 350 patents, of which 24 patents were authorized. Ringpu Biology has devoted itself to the continuous development and production of high-quality and high-value-added products. At present, Ringpu Biology has more than 280 varieties of animal products concerning poultry, domestic animals, pets, and aquatic products, etc. There are almost 170 chemical drugs, over 50 biologicals, more than 30 feed additives, and over 30 plant extract preparations. As the product reviews the moral quality, the control represents the credibility, and the quality links the life. Ringpu Biology keeps faithful observance to its quality promise. It insists on that inner control criteria is 10% higher than the national standards. The edible rates of inspected products from Ringpu Biology keeps the top place in the industry continuously for 11 years. Her major products stand first on the list among the number of segment markets. The favorable market share and excellent product effects have made the brand Ringpu well-known and universally acknowledged among the industry and customers. Ringpu Biology has been successfully recognized by the National Industry Association as top 10 enterprises of veterinary biologics, top 30 enterprises of veterinary pharmaceutical preparations. The products of Ringpu Biology have been awarded as the 10 famous products. The Ringpu has been assessed the most influential brand in 2006 in China animal health products industry, influential brand in 2009 in China animal husbandry, most influential brand in China animal husbandry and honor of reform and openness for 30 years. Ringpu Biology has become the leading enterprise in scientific and technological innovations in animal science and veterinary medicine in China with her rich harvest. Guiding the market with innovative products, winning the market with credit for quality, and basing upon the high-end market needs, Ringpu keeps eye into technical innovation and promotes sustainable and healthy development of animal health products industry. To bear dreams with responsibility. In Ringpu, the innovations can not only be found in research and development, but also in its management transformation and customer services. The core power drives Ringpu Biology on the road of continuous innovations lies in its responsibility to care the health of animals and humans, to take charge of China's development in animal health industry, so as to facilitate customers and employees in their personal development. By adhering to the development philosophy of growth together with customers, Ringpu Biology has established the all-round sales model, combining consultative marketing and expert technical service, and assists customers with comprehensive and systematic resolutions. To better serve the market in an all-round way, Ringpu Biology has set up Ringpu Technical Service Station to promote the technological expertise. Ringpu Biology has established the Ringpu Business College to facilitate disease diagnosis. Ringpu Biology has set up Ringpu Collaborative Laboratory in key breeding areas. Ringpu Biology proceeds in reducing customers' costs and satisfying their individual, knowledge-based, and comprehensive demands with a view to upgrade customers' value through the speedy and premier service. Ringpu Biology has established distribution channels in 30 provinces around China, with a tender of government bid purchasing in 21 provinces, and formed a steady cooperative relations with 743 large-scale breeding enterprises. There are more than 2,000 first-class distributors covering national 500 key animal breeding counties. Besides, Ringpu Biology also proceeds product registrations and sales in Egypt, Jordan, Pakistan, Philippines, and many other countries. Thus, she can integrate the sales and provide one-stop and comprehensive services to customers with her perfect market network construction, convenient and efficient logistics service mechanism. Ringpu Biology persists in the concept that talent is the most important resource of an enterprise, and it advocates the talent's philosophy of employees developed with the enterprise. In Ringpu, the human-oriented management mode, the performance and incentive system with preference of efficiency and benefit, the specialized and individualized mechanism, together with the employees' rich and colorful life, have greatly fueled up the faster growth of employees. Therefore, batches of special talents with high quality and great responsibilities are working actively in various posts to create values for the enterprise's development, which has become the most precious treasure of Ringpu Biology. The enterprise, as a member of the society, should bear more social responsibilities, and Ringpu Biology emphasizes the enterprise's social measures by actively participating in many social activities. She has set up Ringpu Scholarship in many universities, so as to encourage students to better accomplish their study and then repay the society. Whenever a great disaster hits, Ringpu Biology also acts fast in making donations to the affected places so as to contribute her due efforts for the disaster relief and reconstruction afterwards. Map the bright future. The clouds of the time fly massed and scattered, and the long river of history rolls ahead. Over the next 10 years, the animal husbandry of China will grow rapidly with a speed more than 10%. The sunrise industry of China animal health products, enormous development opportunity, and vast market space make Ringpu Biology would win sailing the blue heavens. But professional knowledge and a clear understanding of the industry development, the management team headed by Mr. Norman Lee, the chairman and general manager of Ringpu Biology, will take serving animal husbandry with all their heart, providing customers with extra value, ensuring food safety, and promoting industrial upgrade as their duty, corporately and diligently to write the splendid history of the company development together. Ringpu Biology, a flagship of China animal health products industry, the pioneer of the industry, where the trust lies.